Okay, let's try some animal sounds. Poco, can you bark like a dog? Small dog. Okay, let's try a farm animal. How about a rooster? Okay, I bet a lot of you have a cat at home. Meow. Oh, he is too smart. We need to give him something tougher. How about Bugs Bunny? Coco, take a look at our audience today. What do you think? I agree, we have a nice looking group here today. And I don't say this to all of my birds, but Poco, I love you.
I don't blame you.
What?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you, how rude. Poco, can you whistle us a tune? How about I left my heart in San Francisco? Okay, that's the condensed version. Now here's one you might know. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a... How about how much is that doggy in the window? Can you sing that one for us? Very good. And now for Poco's favorite song, which is I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Well, Poco, that was pretty good, but you kind of rushed through it. It's your favorite song. Do you want to try it again? San Francisco with an S. You just said Francisco. Put more heart into it. More heart. Stand. Alright, that was a little bit. Coco, we want to know, are you a pretty bird? Again?